Okay guys, so I'm going to be making some stewed green peas. I have the green peas here in the tin, but I'm going to put some cured spare ribs in it. What I'm going to do is wash off the excess salt, and then I'm going to pressure cook this in some coconut milk, and we're going to be adding this to our green pigeon peas. As you can see here, it says green pigeon peas. Okay guys, so we're going to pressure cook our cured spare ribs. So I'm just going to add it here to the pressure cooker. Add my coconut milk. I'm going to also add a little bit of chicken broth. I'll add about a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to this as well. I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste, and I'll also add some green seasoning. Alright, so let's cover this and leave it to pressure cook. Okay guys, so I'm out here to pick some stuff to put in our stewed pigeon peas. Alright, so here I have, this is a seasoning or herb. It's called Panadol bush. So I will take a piece of this to add to it. Okay, so we're just going to add that to our basket. I have some Wonder of the World here, and I will cut up a leaf as well to put in the pigeon peas. So let's add that to it. All right. Okay, what do we have here? We have some thyme. So let's add some thyme to it as well. Okay. Should I use the scissors, huh? I think I could put a little more here as well. Alright, so we have our side. What else can we put? Alright, let's go and get some bush basil. We'll put some bush basil. And we'll put some big leaf thyme as well. So let's get some big leaf thyme. Some big leaf thyme. And this here's the bush basil. So let's put some bush basil as well. So take out this one. I'll put a little more. Let's take this one at the back here too. Alright, so we have bush basil. Alright, you know what? I think I'll also put a little bit of rosemary, because why not? Let's put a little bit of rosemary. I'll take a piece of rosemary from here. There you go. Can you see that? Is it focusing? We have our rosemary. Alright, so we have all the stuff we're going to put in our stewed pigeon peas. Guys, I remembered I had some shadow benny here, so I'm going to also put some shadow benny. See that? This is called shadow benny. So we're going to add that to it as well. Okay guys, so we have everything cut up here for our stewed pigeon peas. I already rinsed out my pigeon peas. Here I have my green seasoning. I have a bell pepper, carrot, and some onion. And I also have ginger garlic paste as well. Alright, so let's start with stewing our pigeon peas. Okay, so to our pan here, I'm going to add some oil. I'm using coconut oil. Okay, that should be good. I'm going to add some sugar to brown. I'm actually using jaggery powder for my own. Jaggery powder is a raw cane sugar. Alright. See how it's starting to foam? Okay, so now I'm going to add in my pigeon peas. I'm going to add in my greens on top, my green seasonings. Let's add in our cured spare ribs that we pressure cook. I'm going to add in some dried thyme. We're going to go ahead and add in our onion, carrots, and bell pepper. I'm going to add in a little bit of smoked paprika. I'm also going to add in some ginger garlic paste. Alright, so to this now we're going to add our coconut milk, and we're just going to allow all the flavors to marry. Now the coconut milk that I had pressure cooked the cured spare ribs, that obviously is salty because this was salted meat. If I need to add salt, I will add that liquid to it. So I'll taste to see if I need to add salt, and then I'll add a little bit of that liquid, because that liquid would have had the salt from pressure cooking this cured spare ribs. All right, so we're going to leave this for it to simmer a little bit and come together. So I'm going to cover this as well.